All right, what's up, everyone? Drew, aka Control Rackets here. Um, Hopefully the stream's fixed. If not, I don't even know what to do anymore. I actually thought I had fixed the problem. Um, I'm still getting like a error message in YouTube saying that my data is not or YouTube's not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Um, but it looks like I've fixed the GPU issue. So I don't know, but I guess I need to buy a new video card, which is super frustrating. Um, that's not really in the budget right now, too, with the baby coming. So we'll see. We'll figure it out. Um, all right. Well, I turned down the bit rate and turned down the latency. So hopefully it's good. Like I said, I'm still getting an error message in YouTube, but hopefully that fixes the problem short term until I can get a new video card. Um, all right, well, let's start over. Gosh, I really wanted to relive this. I don't, I hate taking losses. Um, Not me personally, but when I share trades and they're losers, I mentioned before it affects me a lot differently than when it's trading by myself. But anyway, Visa was the call that we played out, or sorry, Visa was the play that we called out on Monday for Tuesday's trading session. It triggered and then pulled back, and everybody should have got stopped out. And if you didn't, then you got wrecked the following day. Um, so there's that. And now I'm probably not going to have time to look at SPY. I have like 20 minutes before I have to walk out the door. Next trade is going to be Airbnb. Um, so on Airbnb, we're looking for puts below 150, first trim 148.70, close puts at 147.80. Next trade is going to be, oh, and this is a swing trade for 2 days out. Sorry, I'm kind of rushing here. I would really like to look at SPY for you guys. CRM, this is going to be a day trade. Puts below 249.80. First trim 246.90. World close puts at 243.74. Crowd is our next trade. I don't know if you guys are noticing a pattern here, but it's like all puts. For crowd, we're looking for below 374. We'll take puts. First trim 371, and we'll close the puts at 367.80. My last trade that I have is going to be DoorDash. And they're in a pretty dangerous spot, actually. So on DoorDash, I'm looking for puts below 103.95. Excuse me. First trim will be 102.50. Second trim 101.52, and close puts at $100.40. Will be or I'm pretty sure there's much more downside to this. This is going to be a swing trade 2 days out, and I don't think I mentioned on crowd it's just going to be a day trade as well. So Airbnb swing trade 2 days out, CRM day trade, crowd day trade, Dash will be a swing trade for 2 days out as well. I'm pretty sure all of this is doable to the downside, but pretty good chance that we do bounce here. If we lose this, this area is very doable. And if we lose this, like we're going way down, like $88, 82. It starts to get ugly if we lose this level here. So that's what's up with that. All right, I have 20 minutes. Let's dive into SPY really quick. I feel like I should throw something out there. I don't really like to ask for money and stuff like that, but I would like to keep the stream going. It looks like the video card is the issue, and like I said, with a baby coming, I just really don't have the budget right now to buy one. If people want to chip in and contribute to that, I would appreciate it. Any money that's generated through YouTube right now will go towards a new video card. But like I said, I mean, I'd really just like to keep these going. I mean, eventually I'll be able to get a new video card on my own, but just right now, it's not in the cards. So, um, and again, none of that is mandatory or anything like that. I'll get it eventually, but if people do want to contribute, though, I'd be very grateful. And if not, it's cool. We'll do the best that we can with what we have. And if the way that I'm streaming right now is working, that's good too, because we can keep these same settings. We don't need these levels. Wow. This is actually pretty wild. What's up, Send It? How you doing? Sorry, I need to do some quick math here. I'm not good at math. I hate math. My kid's always making fun of me because he does calculus, and I'm like, yeah, that's cool, bro. I don't have a Cash App, but you could just, if you wanted to, you can go right through YouTube. Um, um, okay, that makes sense. Um, I mean, I can post my Venmo. It's really just not like something that I do. But if you guys are wanting to do that, I mean, in this instance, I would be happy to. Um, for keeping the stream going or whatever. Oh shoot, I have to log in. Sorry, I have to confirm my identity. 171409. What's the way to do this? Here, so I'll just put it on. I don't know if that'll show. There. Hopefully you guys can scan that. If not, it's going to be... And that's, I mean, this is big for me. I've never, like, given out Cash App or Venmo or any of that stuff. I'm not really somebody that asks for money. But I think under the circumstances, it's a little bit different. Like, realistically, I would hate for my video card to die and then I'm, like, not able to make videos for you guys. And probably nothing happens, right? Probably, as long as I keep these settings, we're probably good. But an upgrade on the video card would be good. It's crazy because, like, I have, William, I guess all of it but 30%. So I guess the Venmo's better. But what was I going to say? Like, my computer is like a beast. The only thing that's not like super powerful in my computer is my video card. And that's because I don't play video games. I just trade and make YouTube videos, basically. Yeah. So Venmo would be the way to go if you guys want to do it. But again, like, I even hesitated to say anything. But if you guys want to, like I said, I mean, all of that, anything that's donated will go towards a new video card. And then that would just improve the stream. And of course, I'll be very grateful to you guys. And I mean, I will say, like, all right, I will, Asim. I offer to all of you, you know, like, you read the 3 books, I'll do a free one-on-one with you. I could easily charge $500-$600 for that, if not more. Because it takes about 2 to 3 hours for each one-on-one. I'm just not that kind of person. I don't, I use 3 monitors. I have a 49-inch ultra wide, and then 2 27-inch monitors. But anyway, I'm just not the kind of person that, like, asks people for money, or, you know, even like when I do one-on-ones, I'm not asking people for money. I try to do stuff, you know, just out of the kindness of my heart. So, anyway, that's where we're at. Yeah, I don't have a Cash App. I have PayPal. I have Zelle. Zelle, you can just use my email. There it is. It's a NVIDIA. Sorry. It's old. It's the 1660 Ti and NVIDIA GeForce. So, I mean, the bottom line is I just need to upgrade it. It's old. My 9-year-old has a better video card than I do. Oh, just the streams. Yeah. No, I mean, I used to be an IT person. It's just, like, literally, it's getting overloaded when I stream. Like, it goes up to a 100% usage. If I do, right now I've toned everything down and it's at like 58% usage, 59. But if I crank the settings up, like on the bit rate and everything, then this is at a solid 100%, and it's not giving enough, I guess, bit rate to YouTube. Anyway, let's finish out this video because I have 10 minutes left. So anyway, I'm sorry about that, guys. Like, I've said, I'm really not the kind of person that asks for money or whatever. But Yeah. So we might even have a trend day tomorrow. Honestly, as crazy as that sounds, today was a trend day. To a degree, like we started off upside, pull back, and then just ripped faces. Right. Um, there's a couple of things I would like to see. I would love to see price come down to this range and then go. Um, oh wait, I was trying to calculate the single print mid. So 70 cents below this. So basically 61.05. Roughly. Single prints mid is generally like a pretty good spot for a bounce. So there is a possibility or a bounce or a rejection of this happening. Um, and then the easiest setup would be if we break this, there's a chance that we don't even get a retest. But if we break it and have 3 5-minute candles and retest, like that's a really good entry. But if we break this with like um, momentum, you can probably just slap calls as soon as we break through the M period spike. Um, and I would probably say to here, something like that. Um, so yeah, this is the three things. What's up, Ashton? The three things that I would look at for tomorrow. Pull back to the single prints mid and bounce, and we'll probably make a new higher high. Break over the M period spike. We're probably just going to have a trend day straight up. If we get a retest, that would be ideal. But like I said, if we break through this with momentum, I would probably just hop in calls and not even bat an eye. You might, hop in and get a pullback to the M period spike, but you're just going to have to, accept that drawdown, because if we break over, there's a chance that we don't get a retest, and that it just runs. And then probably the most ideal setup for me would be pull back to our single prints, take calls. Yeah, there's news tomorrow. I generally check it like I look at news, before I start trading. Part of my morning routine. Yeah, there's CPI, unemployment claims, core CPI, CPI month over month, CPI year over year, 30-year bond auction, Bostic speaking, Muslim speaking. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot happening tomorrow. It doesn't really change what I'm expecting. Oh, Gigi, I don't know if I said thank you, but thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the super chat a lot. Yeah, so as far as like the speakers and all that, it doesn't really change what I'm expecting to happen tomorrow. I think we're probably going to be... I really think we get a pullback and then run. But if we just break this, we're probably going to have another trend day to the upside, which is pretty crazy to imagine. But that's what I see. Anyway, with all that said, I've got to take off. I have like 5 minutes and I got to walk out the door. So easier if I can go get ready now and then take off. But hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully some of the trades we looked at work out tomorrow. I just see downside on like every single stock. But SPY's actually looking pretty bullish, which would kind of kill. I mean, like stocks don't necessarily have to follow SPY, but SPY's looking bullish and everything I'm looking at is looking bearish. So all I can do is give the setups that I see, and hopefully they play out tomorrow. Hopefully it works out. SPY looks like it'll be a fun one tomorrow. Should be a pretty volatile day, I think. So money to be made if you catch the right direction. If you guys want to see where I'm at, just because I like to be as transparent as possible, I'll show you guys. I've talked about it. This was like a $600 account as of Monday the 1st. And right now, I think I'm just over 2,000. Yeah. So it's like $2,024, something like that. And then you can see like my daily profits. This looks terrible, but it's because, wait, why was it so small? I don't remember. There was some stupid reason that like I ended up only catching a $16 trade. I think it was a mistake on my behalf. But yeah, today I traded pretty small. I wasn't feeling very like good. Thank you, Asim. Appreciate that. I wasn't feeling very good this morning. I actually like slept in till 10 o'clock in the morning, which never happens. I wake up at like 5:30, 6 o'clock almost every single day. Get up, use the restroom, make coffee, sit down, start looking at charts, look at what news is coming for the day, stuff like that. And I just stayed in bed this morning. And then when I finally rolled out of bed, since it was so late, I didn't even think to get coffee, and sat down, knew I wanted to get at least one trade in for the day. I was happy when I was up like $150, so I just closed it. Even though I wasn't respecting my rules, and again, want to be transparent with you guys. It went and hit my profit target, and I would have made $400 on the day if I respected my levels, but I didn't. I just, again, was not feeling very great. And then I took my son to the gym, and all morning I was just like, why do I feel so crappy? Like, why am I not feeling so great? And then I realized like I never even had coffee. And I don't know, like I'm a daily coffee drinker, so very odd for me to like be out cruising around with no coffee in my system. Oh yeah, this shows my actual balance. There we go. 2,072 and 98 cents. Started on July 1st with $648.90. So yeah, anyway, this is where I'm at right now. I'll be doing like a $2,000 withdrawal on this on the 15th. Yeah, here. So you always have to make sure you pay yourself when you trade. Really important for your morale and keep you going in the right direction. All right. So anyway, like I said, hopefully this helps you guys out. Hopefully you guys make some money tomorrow. Hopefully the streams are helping. Hopefully you guys are learning through the streams. But much love. Peace out. Have a good rest of your afternoon. And I hope you guys crush it tomorrow. I don't think I'll be doing a video tomorrow morning, just so that you know. I said goodbye and now I'm talking more. Yeah. Lloyd, when you feel like that, just don't trade. Just take a day off. You have to listen to your body, I was telling the people that I normally trade with every day, like I normally share my screen and trade with every day. I didn't go live today, and I told them like I just wasn't feeling it. So I had to listen to my body and just, take a day off from streaming live and trading live. But so what was I going to say to you guys? I forgot, but it doesn't matter. We'll just talk about it on the next video if it was something important. But yeah, much love and respect to everybody. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love you guys share. I appreciate the likes and the comments on the video. And I also appreciate you guys that share your wins or even share your losses, like that's part of the game. So thank you, Sherry. Appreciate that. So yeah, like you have to listen to your body, share your wins, share your losses. This is a game where you're going to take losses. And the better you deal with those losses, the better you'll be as a trader. So, what I was saying is hopefully the videos are helping you guys out. Hopefully you're learning from them. I'm really trying to like share everything, explain everything, talk about how I trade. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. I'm trying to be as revealed as possible. And I'm not asking for anything in return from you guys, like, or actually I do ask for one thing, and that's just like, give the video a thumbs up, and comments, just, to keep me motivated to keep doing these videos. Comments to let me know how you're doing, if it's helping. Share the wins, share the losses, share all that stuff with me. Okay. I think I was saying I probably won't be doing a video tomorrow or Friday. I have a doctor's appointment for my wife in the morning for the baby. And then I have a pretty busy rest of my day. And then Friday is just blown. Like I'm busy all day. I'll probably figure out a day like Saturday or Sunday to do a video for you guys and find some plays. If I see some setups, I'll cover them either Saturday or Sunday morning. And then next week we'll do as many videos as we can. The baby is going to be born on Friday, so after that, we'll get in videos whenever we have a chance, but they're not going to be as frequent as they have been. Yeah, we'll do our best, and just do videos whenever we can. David, as soon as price crosses through my level, you would enter the trade. So, like Airbnb. What you want to see is, as soon as this happens, your inputs. Okay? If for whatever reason price opens down here, then you would want to see at least price come up and touch it and then go. Or for price to go through, I guess I can't do what I'm trying to do. And then pull back inside, and you would enter right here where it pulled back inside. Okay? Thank you, Lloyd. Appreciate you guys. Everybody, much love. I appreciate, really, I appreciate all the love. I appreciate the fact that you guys are, sending money to try to help out. That's awesome. If I was a baller, I would just buy the video card and, call it a day, but I'm not. Probably much like you guys. I had somebody tell me one time, like, oh, you're rich. And I'm like, really? Like, they forgot to tell my bank account, like I'm here grinding just like you guys are. I am profitable as far as trading, but I'm not like, one of those big dogs making $10,000, $20,000 a day. I'm not there yet. I will be. But for right now, I'm just grinding away like everybody else. So, but we'll get there. We're getting there slowly but surely. Right now, my biggest issue, and this is the biggest issue for most traders, is trusting myself. Like, respecting my levels. I talk about it, but it's very easy to talk about things like, oh, you can't move your stop loss, you can't do this, whatever, blah, 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 blah. But it can be very hard to watch a green trade go red, and just sit through it and trust your levels and let it happen. And so sometimes, my greed and my emotions get the best of me. They did today. I saw $150 green, and I wasn't feeling very good about my, myself, how I was feeling, like physically, mentally, whatever. And so I was like, let me just take the win here and call it a day. Like it's closer to my goal to be able to take out $2,000 on the 15th. So, and again, if I had just trusted myself, I would have made more than double that. And I would be super close to my goal to take out $2,000 on the 15th. But, it is what it is. Like I said, I always try to be as revealed as possible with you guys. And just so you know, I do very well trading, but I have struggles as well, just like anybody else. So don't beat yourself up if you're there. Like, just work on getting better every single day. Journal your trades and talk about those emotions that you're going through or whatever. And that way in the future you can try to avoid it or try to be better, But yeah, it's a process. Once you get past that emotional stuff, trading gets really, really easy. It's disgustingly easy. All right. Much love, everybody. Peace out. Thank you again, everybody. Really appreciate all the love. Hopefully you guys just make bank tomorrow. All right. Much love. Peace out. Take care.